Instant City was, in very raw terms, like a cultural circus. It takes the cultural essence of a metropolitan city and takes them around like a circus, so that a small town or a village could become a kind of city for a week. Instant City was really based upon our own Archigram experience, because we'd started giving lectures, packaging the Archigram ideas and going around with lots of projectors. Allied to the period of open-air pop concerts, I think that was all in the air at the same time. There was an intermediary project called Ideas Circus, which was much more specific, which was actually a set of teaching devices put on trucks with the odd inflatable. Then it started to speculate, instead of the city trundling around on trucks, maybe it could all hang off an airship. It would just silently come in the night, and you'd open the bedroom curtains, and there was the city in the field behind you. And then a week later it would have carried on. Sort of analogous to the contemporary thought that everybody could be famous for 5 minutes, the Marshall McLuhan thing, whatever. And there were various different versions of the Instant City. So there was my version, there was Ron Heron's version. Funny enough, we were both working on them in Los Angeles, but mine was still bedded in England and his was located in Los Angeles. They were only the kind of minor variants on basically an agreed set of parts. And then there are odd sort of drawings, such as what happens if an Instant City of an airship drops into a town, so that you then have a series of parasite elements that are actually attached to the town itself. That you even sort of infiltrate W.H. Smith's or the top of a bus. You don't just leave it in a field nice and separate. Which could have been developed. There's a whole territory there that one could have moved into, which is the mixture between an organised, contrived set of parts and a sort of agitprop effect on the town. I've never pursued that, but there's a whole territory there which I think can send messages to the current generation of people.